Yo, what is going on guys? It is Caspahz here, and today we are going to be talking about the 3-tier upgradable perks in Die Maschine. If you would like to take a look at the full post for yourselves, I will have a link to the original post in the description. Every perk is going to be upgradable multiple times through the use of runes. Every time you upgrade your perk to another tier, you will be rewarded with another benefit. I will quickly list out the 6 perks that are going to be available on the new map, and then we are gonna cover every single tier and reward that comes with it. The 6 perks that are going to be in the game are Stamina, Juggernog, Elemental Pop, Quick Revive, Speed Cola, and Deadshot Daiquiri. Before I list out the rewards for each perk's tier, I just want to say that we are still not sure of the order and which one's gonna correspond with which tier. We are first going to be talking about the rewards for the Stamina perk. Upon purchase of the perk, you will then be able to upgrade it and receive the following upgrades. Reduction of impaired movement by 50%, no fall damage, and you will be able to run while aiming down the sight. The next one on the list is Deadshot Daiquiri, and its upgrades are fairly straightforward as well. The tier upgrades will offer reduced hipfire spread, higher damage to armored enemies, and decreased damage fall off. Decreased damage fall off simply means that the further you are away from a zombie, your weapon will not lose much of its effectiveness. Next up we got Speed Cola, and the upgrades for it offer things such as faster reload, field upgrades recharge faster, and you are also able to swap weapons faster. With the introduction of armored vests in Die Maschine, Juggernog upgrades will allow for these armored plates to provide you with more armor. The tier upgrades will also reduce the status effect's duration, and they will also increase health by 100 more. Status effects simply refer to something as a player being stunned. Second last on the list we have Quick Revive, which when upgraded will give you faster crawl speed when downed, you will regenerate health faster, and you will also be able to go into full health after successfully reviving. Last but not least, we have the new perk Elemental Pop. The tier upgrades for this perk will allow you to reduce your double pack-a-punch ability cooldown. The double pack ability will also use the Kirin tier instead of the base, which will deal more damage from the start, and equipment will now have the possibility of having a double pack-a-punch ability occur. With that out of the way, I just want to say that I am extremely excited to see how this new system is gonna work and how these new perks are going to operate. If you do appreciate the quality of my videos and you do want to support my work, I would greatly appreciate if you could drop a like on this video. It helps my channel grow and it helps my video surface to other viewers. Also, I will be covering the new map on the day it is released, so if that's something that you do not want to miss out on, make sure to hit that subscribe button below this video and you'll be notified every time I upload. Until next time, it's been Caspahz and I'm out. Peace.
Don't forget to like Caspahz's video now!